If you're flying to Singapore, then this video is for you. Here are the 5 things you need to know before you visit Singapore. Number 1, make sure your passport is valid, meaning at least 6 months validity. Kung ang expiration ay December 2024, you can only fly until June 2024. Number 2, make sure to pay your travel tax online para hindi na hassle pagdating nyo ng airport. You can pay via tiaza.gov.ph. Number 3, make sure to fill up your departure card via etravel.gov.ph at least 3 days before your flight. Number 4, make sure isabay nyo na rin yung arrival card sa SG. Dahil pagdating nyo ng Singapore Airport, itatanong nila kung na-fill upan nyo na ba yung arrival card. Number 5, make sure to book your Singapore activities via Klook and don't forget to use our promo code for additional discount. Thank you for watching and follow for more Singapore travel tips.